Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Ahmed here at Dash Truck Colorado Springs location with another walk around video. If you like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you are watching, well, drop us a like. Today walk around will be for the 2018 Ford Transit. This is the 350 HD model. Take a look at the tires here. This truck has a 12-foot box with the ramp. Here's your freshly painted box. Looking under the carriage here, it does have a very clean chassis. This box comes with the following measurement. The interior width is 6'10", opening width is 6'3", opening height is 5'8", and then the overall clearance is 9'4". Does have a lid light inside, 6 of them, and then there are 2 at the back. Easy access to the ramp over here, very lightweight. Here's your towing package with the hitch. Taking a look at the other side of the truck. A small dent on the side, as you can see. Alright, let's take a look at the interior here. Here's your 87,396,000 mile. Start it up here. Here it comes. It's like a smooth start. No light on the dash. Pretty good condition interior. You have your CD players over there. USB outlet, and then 3 cup holders in the middle. Here at Dash Trucks, our vehicles are fully reconned. What we mean when we say that, we go through the suspension, braking, the engine, and the transmission company, and we make sure that everything is working as desired. There's a small screen for the backup camera with wide angle to help when you back up. Alright, looking at the engine here, this truck comes with the 3.7 liter V6 Ford gasoline engine with 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Will you hear the engine sound? Alright, wrapping up this walk around. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description, where you can view our full listing as well as our phone number. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a great one.